What's up, money makers? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about using lead generation and social proof without a website or funnel. Welcome back, money makers. Today we're talking about using social proof and lead generation without a website or a sales funnel. Now, before we get too far into the video, I want to remind you to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so you know the next time I drop another video. The first thing we're going to talk about is social proof. And all social proof is proof that the product or service you working with actually works. So to show that the product or services you're promoting actually work, you can use testimony, video demonstration, or ratings if that product or service has those. Now, it's sitting in one of my Instagram accounts because it actually holds several good examples of social proof, and you can find them right here in the highlights on the testimony and profit. So if you have the time, go ahead and go check them out. I am an affiliate marketing mentor. What I do is get people to come into Builderall so I can teach them affiliate marketing. And although I don't have that many testimonies, having 3 testimonies is still better than not having any at all. In this post right here, now in this example right here, you can see that somebody who has been working with Builderall for 2 years has made over $200,000, and that doesn't even include the added bonus that you get when you get the car. Now, I can't stress this enough. Do not use any social proof that you cannot verify yourself or you do not know that it is real. And do not claim somebody else's social proof for your own. See, even in this post right here, you see me say that this is a pretty amazing accomplishment, and I end this with congratulations, Alex. Now, the next thing we're going to talk about is lead generation, and all lead generation is giving away something of value for free or low cost. This can include motivational quotes, tips and tricks, coupons, or freebies. The things that you see on this Instagram account actually counts as lead generation. You see I have free quotes right here, tips and tricks right here, and even a preview of a few of my YouTube video right here and right here. This post in particular actually leads to another way I generate leads on a daily basis, and that is with Quora. I spend about 15 to an hour answering questions on Quora that generates me anywhere between 1 to 5 leads per day. If you would like a more in-depth covering on the topic, then I suggest you go back and watch this video right here where I break down how I use Quora to generate up to 5 leads per day. Now, another way you can use lead generation and social proof without a website or sales funnel is with Facebook groups. And not in a way that I showed you how to use Facebook groups to make money in this video. We're going to head over to my Facebook account so I can kind of walk you through what you can do to start getting leads using Facebook groups. So now that we're on Facebook, you can come over here and see that I'm in several different groups. That is where this is going to start. You want to join groups that are in your niche. So if you're doing like make money online, you want to join entrepreneur groups. If you're doing health and fitness group, if you're doing health and fitness products, then you want to join health and fitness. If you're doing love and relationship products, then you want to join love and relationship groups. If you can make a post that becomes highly engaging, then it makes it a little bit easier to get people from the groups to your profile. Now, you want to ask questions and answer questions, and also maybe throw in a few motivational quotes every single day for about a month, and then you want to start inviting people to your own profile. At the same time, you also want to be posting to your profile so that people have something to look at when you send them a friend request. I say have about 10 to 20 public posts so that people can have a pretty good idea of what you're interested in, and if your two interests align. This will make it a little easier to get people from the groups into your profile so that you can turn them into leads later. If you got any value from this video, then smash that like button. And if there's a specific topic you want me to cover, then let me know in the comment section. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss the next time I drop another video.